Hello friends, today we are going to make a pizza with lot of cheese and vegetables. In vegetables I am going to use jalapenos, olives, shimla mirchi, the green one, the red one, the yellow one, onions, and I am going to make it a very colorful and very tasty pizza which is very yummy. Okay, now all ingredients that you require to make two medium sized pizzas are 2 cups. This is the cup I am going to use, a small cup. This is the measurement I am going to use, and this is the spoon I am going to use, teaspoon. So we require 2.5 cups of maida, all purpose flour, 1 teaspoon of sugar, salt as per taste. How much salt you require, accordingly you can add. I need 1 cup of milk I will be using, and in case I need a little more I will use a little more. It depends on the maida how much it absorbs to make a proper nice dough. And I will use Prime brand dry instant yeast, which is used directly into the dough while kneading for the pizza. And I will need 2 teaspoons of oil or butter, whatever you want to use, you can use. The milk should be lukewarm, neither very hot nor very cold. Otherwise, if the milk is hot, the yeast will not be activated, it will not work on the dough. So it has to be lukewarm. And sugar acts as a catalyst which helps in raising the flour. Okay friends, today we are making a vegetable pizza with lot of vegetables, cheese and pizza. 2.5 cups of self-raising flour, little bit of salt, 1 teaspoon sugar, 1 teaspoon self-raising dry instant yeast, and I will first add 1 cup milk. In case I require more, I will use more. It depends on the dough how much it takes. Each flour absorbs different amount of milk or water. So pour slowly, don't make it very wet. I think 1 cup is enough. Now I am going to knead this for at least 20 minutes until it becomes nice and soft. And whenever I require, I am going to use a little bit of oil. Don't use too much of oil, then it gets very heavy. Maximum you can use is 2 teaspoons. This is how you have to knead the dough. Stretch it out, pull, stretch, fold, pull, stretch, fold, pull, stretch, fold. Don't beat the dough, don't be very harsh on it, gently do it because they've got yeast inside and the little fellows have to be comfortable to give it a nice rise. It is pull, stretch, fold, pull, stretch, fold, or you can pinch it like this, fold, pinch it like this, fold. Keep on doing this until the dough becomes very soft. And in case it sticks, add a little oil from the 2 teaspoons that you have kept aside and then do it. Pull, stretch, fold, pull, stretch, fold, pull, stretch, fold. After 45 minutes, this is how it is. It has doubled in size. Now I am going to punch out all the air and give it 1-2 minutes का kneading. Knead it for 2 to 3 minutes just to punch out all the air. Now I am going to cut it into pieces, equal parts, to make pizza. 1. Never pull the dough, always cut it. 2 and 3. I will make 3 pizzas. Now we are going to roll it out like a roti, and this is the grease tray in which I am going to make the pizzas. This is the oven tray. I have put some oil on it. Now I am going to place this on the tray. Add some butter. On this I am going to put some ketchup, tomato ketchup. Spread it nicely. Now I will put the base of cheese slice. Now I will decorate it with all the vegetables. Some olives, some jalapenos, some onion rings. My grandson, I am making this pizza for him. He loves onion, so I am going to put more of onion. Corn, Shimla mirchi, all colors, mushrooms, now on this I will put pizza seasoning, Kia pizza seasoning. This gives it a nice taste. Spread it all over nicely. Oregano, that is also Kia. I like the Kia brand. That is nice. And then some grated cheese. Now I will keep this like this for everything to blend and the dough to rise a little to its maximum capacity for at least 10 minutes, and then I will put it in the oven at 190 degrees, little less than 200 degrees for 20 minutes. Preheat the oven. I have kept it little less than 200 degrees and 30 minutes, and right now it is on this side. After some time, after 15 minutes I will do it on the upper side also. That does the lower base. Now the oven is quite warm. This is the pizza that we have prepared. I'm going to put it in the center. See, there are 3 levels. I'm going to put it in the center level and close it and leave it on for 15 minutes. Then when you feel the base is doing well, it is getting ready, turn this to the other sides for the top. The pizza should be ready in 20 to 25 minutes. This is done in 20 minutes. Nicely done, top as well as the bottom. So now I'm going to remove it and we are going to relish the pizza. Do try, make 4 pieces and enjoy garam garam खूब सारी चीज़ और सब्जी वाला hot